not too shabby friends. This is Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, and I am here today for sneak peek day 2 of the November box of the month. Now, I am sneak peeking the stamp set called the Cowgirl's Heart, and this is a fabulous, fabulous, fabulous stamp set. I have several grandchildren that are kind of Western. They love the Western theme. I have a granddaughter that shows in 4-H and has a cow and ducks and on a farm. I have a couple grandsons that go hunting and all kinds of things. So I am just showcasing the stamp set today. You know that I love some pattern paper, and I had every intention of making a card with the paper pad that Jamie showed yesterday and the stamp set. And then I got to pulling out my supplies, and I thought, you know what, I always need gift cards, holders of some kind, because I'm always giving gift cards at Christmas. So this is going to be for my granddaughter, and then I always make them a special tag. So these 2 little tags are going to be for 2 of my grandsons. So I am going to do a quick, easy coloring for you. I'm going to color with my zebra colored pencils. Those are really easy to color with. I'll give you some tips before I get started. And so yeah, that's what I'm going to do today for you. So I am going to, when I get started, after I finish with the tips, when I get started with the coloring though, I'm going to play some music and speed the video up just a little bit so that it won't be so long with me coloring. But first, we're going to stamp out our images, make sure they fit. I kind of made sure that they fit before I started, but I didn't actually take the stamp set out of the package. Oh, let me go over the stamp set a little bit more in depth. You've got these boots with some flowers in them. Then you've got some boots with a cowboy hat on them. Just a cowboy hat and just 1 boot. And we have, hey y'all, you're the ye to my haw, yeehaw, howdy, and it's your birthday. And I just, those are fabulous. Okay, so first I am going to stamp the cowboy hat. We're going to make sure that this cowboy hat fits on this round tag. Kind of does. It kind of goes up into the little enforcer just a little bit, but that's okay. That's okay. So we're going to stamp 2 of these on this round tag. Well, not this round tag, but on the 2 round tags. And I'm going to use some Lawn Fawn Jet Black ink because, you know what, I'm not going to use that because I can color with colored pencils with VersaFine Clair, and I think that will show up better on the craft. Okay. So there we go. Oh, that's gorgeous. That turned out beautifully. Beautiful. Okay, then we're going to put our little gift card thing. I'm going to stamp the sentiment on the back of the cards. I probably should do that while I'm I'll do that in just a second before the sentiment is going to fit on the front of this one. I could stamp Howdy over here to the side. My granddaughter will get a kick out of that. She's always telling me, she's straight up front, Grandma, that doesn't look right. So that's how we're going to do that one. Let's put these back in here on the other side. So for my two grandsons, and they will get a big kick out of this, I am going to stamp You're the Ye to My Haw. Started coloring. I'll give you a couple of tips coloring with these colored pencils. I will have them linked down below. It's not an affiliate link or anything. They're just, I got them off of Amazon. The tip that I have is when you want to have some shading, where you want to have some shading, you color real dark. You apply a lot of pressure. So I'm going to color real dark around the edges where the little dots are. And back here above the that's not the band on the hat. And below it, and then above and below this decorative piece. These are click pencils. You just click and it comes out. Oh, I just went outside the line. Okay, and then up here. And then I'll take, and for the rest of it, I'll just color a little bit lighter for the rest of the hat. And then we'll color those bands a little bit different. So I am going to speed it up from this point on and play some music, and I'll catch you back when I get finished coloring. Okay, I am really pleased with how they turned out. So I have two different hats and nice shading. You know, are they perfect? No. And then I have this little gift card holder, and I have a little a die that is the perfect size to put the notches in here, and I will put the notches in here and use it to give my granddaughter a gift card. And so those are my projects with the Cowgirl's Heart stamp set for this month's box of the month. I feel like I am going to get so much use out of this stamp set. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I apologize. I am not the best colorist online. I'm not the best colorist with colored pencils, period. But I'm definitely not the best colorist when I'm filming a video, because I just feel like you can't see what I'm doing. But anyhow, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for day 3 sneak peek coming tomorrow, and Jamie will have something else to show for you. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.